morning, children. Welcome back to English online class. In the last class, I taught you about the starting point, right? The third chapter in the English textbook, right? We have completed only half of the lesson. Today, we will complete the full lesson from the 7th para, okay? From the 7th para. We'll start the lesson, children. Before I start teaching the lesson, I want to tell something. You have to write the classwork very neatly, children, very neatly, and the homework book also. Many students have not come to give the homework. They are bringing only the classwork, not at all bringing the homework. Please bring. You have to bring homework as well as the classwork. Okay. Today we'll start the lesson. Okay. 6 weeks into our training, the center held a cross-country race. In this event, Gurudev came first and I came second. In this race, when it was held, what do you mean by cross-country? We'll come to know. 6 weeks in our training, the center held a cross-country race. What do you mean by cross-country race? Across fields or open country and not on roads or on a track. Not on a track, or on a track. Across fields or open country and not on roads or on a track. Or on a track. Not on the road also, not on the track also. It's a open country, means open field. Open field, they have participated the running race. In this event, Gurudev came first and I came second. Who came first? Gurudev. Havaldar Gurudev Singh. I said no in the last class. Havaldar Gurudev Singh came first and I came second. Who came second? Milkha Singh. Milkha Singh came second in that race. Again, I became the cynosure of all eyes. What do you mean by that? Again, I became the cynosure of all eyes. Means a person who is in focus of everyone's attention. Milkha Singh was focusing on all attention, all the people's attention. He was grabbing attention from all people. Again, I became a cynosure of all eyes. I was 20 or 21 at that time. See, the age of Milkha Singh was 20 or 21. 20 or 21. During that age, he has won the race and he has attracted the attention of the people at that time, but looked much younger. He was looking younger. Okay. I was asked to take part in brigade meet in Hyderabad. He was asked to participate in brigade meet in Hyderabad. It was also it was also a game where he has to participate in the race. Okay, in Hyderabad, where it held in Hyderabad, where I was asked to run in the 400 meters event. He was in that race. He has to participate for 400 meters race, 400 meter event. I was greatly surprised because I did not even know what 400 meters meant. I was greatly surprised. He was very surprised. He was not knowing about 400 meters race. Okay. I had always run 6 miles. In the last class, I taught you that he was, when he was in childhood, he was going to school by running 6 6 miles. He was running 6 miles, going for school 6 miles and coming back to home 6 miles. He was running every day to go to the school 6 miles. Okay. But it was during the brigade meet that the second incident occurred, which made me even more determined to become a good athlete. The brigade met that the second incident occurred where he was participating in the race for 400 meters. It has given a change to him and he came to know about the 400 meters race. Okay. Occurred, which made me even more determined to become good athletic. Means he was feeling very happy and he was very interested to learn. Means it has changed his mind. Means he was daily in childhood he was just going to school and coming back to home by running, right? Only for 6 miles. 6 miles. Now he is participating in 400 meters, right? 400 meters race. So it is it's something changed, right? Now he is learning to participate for 400 meters. Okay. Determined to become a good athletic. In the first practice run in Hyderabad, I took off my canvas shoes and ran barefoot. Here, when he was participating in Hyderabad for 400 meters, when he was running, he left his shoes and without wearing shoes, he has participated the race. By barefoot, removed the shoes and participated the race. Gurudev clapped his hands for me to start. I did and clocked 63 seconds. Gurudev clapped it very happily his hands for me to start the race. I did and clocked 63 seconds. In 63 seconds, he has completed his race. I was eager to run 4 more rounds. He was eager, means he was willing to run 4 more rounds. I was eager to run 4 more rounds. After all that, all that was what I was used to running 6 miles every day. So running a quarter mile seemed for too easy. Now it has become easy for Milkha Singh to run. Okay, because he was running from the childhood, right? For going to school 6 miles, it has become an habit for him to run a quarter mile. Seem far too easy. I continued to practice for many days. He was continuously practicing for many days. Continued to practice for many days to improve my time, and soon I was running 4 meters in less than a minute. See, now because of practice, he started up improved. He has improved a lot, and within in some minutes he was reaching the 400 meters race. I was running 400 meters in less than a minute. Okay. Next, we'll move for the 8th para. The day of the meet dawned bright and clear. As I made my way to the stadium, I noticed some men who were surrounded by senior officers and their families. The man wore with India written on them in bold letters. They seemed to have an air of power and prestige about them. I was very curious to know who they were. I was told later that they were athletes who had represented India in international sporting events. That was my eureka moment. I made a solemn promise to myself that I would not rest until I earned a place in that special world too. The world of Indian athletes who had the privilege of representing their country. I wanted to wear blazers and vests with the name of my country written on them. I resolved that I would make my country proud of me. See, the day of the Met begin bright and clear. Bright and clear. The day of the Met begin bright and clear as I made my way to the stadium. See, he was going for stadium. The day begins with bright and clear, it seems. Bright and clear. I noticed some men who were surrounded by senior officers and their families. Means the senior officers were being surrounded by many officers and their families. Senior officers and their families. The men wrote vistas with India written on them in bold letters. Vistas means it's an innerwear for the boys. Innerwear for the boys. In Kannada they call as banin, right? For the boys they wear innerwear. On that they have written in the bold letters. They have written the country name, India. Okay. They seem to have an air of power and prestige. What do you mean by have an air of power and prestige? They seemed very important and much respected and admired by others. See how proud they are feeling? They seemed very important and much respected and admired by others. By others means by people. About them. I was very curious to know who they were. Milkha Singh was very curious to know about who they were. Who are they? Okay. I was told later that they were athletes. For the Milkha Singh Salman has said that they were athletics who had represent India in international sporting events. They were who had represented. They were represented India in international sporting events. In international sporting events. That was my eureka moment. What do you mean by that? The time when he really realized what he wanted to become in life. On that spot, he has realized that what he wanted to become in life. Okay. The word eureka comes from Greek and means I have found it. Yes, found it. The use of the word refers to the exclamation by who after a long period of study discovered a method to detect the purity of gold in the crown of the king. See how nicely they are telling. The time when he realized what he wanted to become in life, it means. I made a soulman. What do you mean by that? Sincere. Sincerely, he has decided to achieve, right? Promise to myself that he has promised himself that I would not rest until I earned a place in that special world too. See, he has decided not to rest. He has decided until he reached that place. Means special word to the world of Indian athletes. See how nicely he is telling. Who had the privilege. What do you mean by privilege? An opportunity they were very proud about. Proud about. Proud about of representing their country. They are representing their country in different games, right? In Olympics, that is what he was telling. I wanted to wear blazers, means the coat. We'll tell as a coat, right? It's a blazers and whistles. I said the inner wear for the boys. On that they'll be writing the country name, different country name, right? Who are from which country? We have to come to know from which country they are participating, right? So on the blazers also there'll be name of their country, and on the whistles with the name of my country, with the name of my country. Which is our country? India is our country, right? Of my country written on them. I resolved that I would make my country proud of me. See, he decided he will achieve, and he will be feeling proud of his country, proud of me. Make my country proud of me. I was very nervous when we reported at the starting line. I was very nervous when we reported at the starting line. Before the race, this was the first time that I was competing in such an event, and that too before thousands of spectators. I had little idea about the procedures and the technicalities for such events. I was very nervous when we reported at the starting line before the race. Before the race starts, they'll set their places, right? Milkha Singh was very nervous. It was the first time he was participating, right, in that game, so he was feeling nervous, it seems. This was the first time that I was competing in such an event, and that too before thousands of spectators. Means from different countries they'll be participating in Olympic, right? So he was feeling very nervous. I had little idea about the procedures. And the technicalities for such events. What do you mean by that? The rules of the race and the procedures that should be followed before the race. He came to know the procedures and the rules of the game. Okay, of such events. I came fourth in the race. He came fourth in the race. I was disappointed, but not disheartened. He was disappointed. He was feeling sad, but not disheartened. Disheartened means what? Having lost hope or confidence. He has lost hopes or confidence. I had raced with star athlete, the national champion Sona Singh of the Sikh regiment, and Preeti Singh, who had represented India in events abroad. These many people had participated in India in events abroad. When I returned from Hyderabad, it was back to work. from after he participated in where he has participated, Brigade met in Hyderabad. After he participated in that race, he has come back to his own place, where back to his work. It was back to his work as usual. As usual, as other military duties and examinations. Consumed my time, but my desire to succeed as an athlete was as strong as ever. After a day of hard work, I would carry my dinner back to the, what is that, barracks, means a group of buildings in which soldiers live, and hide the plate of food under my bed. While my colleagues relaxed in the evening, I would be at the ground practicing. I still did not know the techniques needed to run a 400-meter race, but I followed a rule of thumb. I would run one round at the highest speed possible, rest for a while, and then run another one. I would complete 5 or 6 rounds and then return to my room to take a bath and have dinner. This was my routine for many months, a secret activity that no one was aware of. She was, I'll tell you. Yeah. When I returned from Hyderabad, it was back to work as usual. Paradise, other military duties and examinations consumed my time, but my desire to succeed as an athlete was as strong as ever. He has decided to participate, but before participating, he has to practice himself, right? Everything. So he was practicing every day. But my desire to succeed as an athlete was as strong as ever. He has decided to become an athlete in the event where he has to participate in the race. After a day of hard work, I would carry my dinner back to the workers, and I hide the plate of food. After a day of hard work, I would carry my dinner back. He was after his all work, every day's work, he was carrying his dinner back to his room, where all soldiers were were sleeping, and they were take rest in that place, and hide the plate of food under my bed. He has hidden his dinner plate under the bed. Why he has hidden his dinner plate under the bed? While my colleagues relaxed in the evening. His colleagues were relaxing in the evening. I would be at the ground practicing. When their colleagues were relaxing in the room, he was practicing in the ground. I still did not know the technique needed to run a 400-meter race. He was not knowing the technique to how to participate in 400-meter race. But I followed a rule of thumb. What do you mean by a rule of thumb? A practical way based on experience, though it may not be technically correct. I would run one round at the highest speed possible. He was running one round with the highest speed. How much it is possible? He was running in that speed, highest speed. Okay. Rest for a while and then run another one. See, after one round, he was taking rest, and next one, after taking rest, again he was continuing his round. Another round. I would complete 5 or 6 rounds and then return to my room. He was completing 5 or 6 rounds. After 5 or 6 rounds, he was going back to his room to take bath. He was after he was practiced. He was taking bath, having dinner. This was my routine for many months. This was a routine. Every day you'll be morning you'll get up and take bath, have milk, and you will have dinner. Sorry, have breakfast, and in the afternoon you'll have dinner. Sorry, lunch, and night you'll have dinner, right? And in the middle you'll be doing your homework, playing, everything, watching TV, everything will be going on, right? Every day. That is a routine. Like in the same way, this was my routine. He's telling that after practicing, he will take bath and have dinner. This was his routine from many months. A secret activity that no one was aware of. This was a secret activity which no one was knowing about that. One night I was doing my regular practice rounds when brigades SP over spotted me. SP over spotted me. One day, when he was practicing in the evening, when other colleagues were taking rest, he was caught by a SP over spotted me. Means he was spotted by the SP over. He was on his after dinner walk. Who was after dinner walk? SP over. He was walking. Every day he was doing walking, no? But on one day he was caught. And who was caught? Milkha Singh, where he was practicing. Why are you on the ground at this hour? Who is asking? SP. Why are you on the ground at this hour? He asked sharply. Sir, I said, clicking my heels and snapping to attention. I tried to do a smart salute, though I was breathing hard and dripping sweat from every pore. Sir, I panted. I am practicing for the 400 meters race. He is telling to the sir. I said, clicking my heels and snapping to attention. I tried to do a smart slot, though I was breathing hard. Means who was telling? Milkha Singh was telling to the SP over, is trying to hide his where he was practicing every day, no? He was trying to hide from the SP over, that he was telling that simply I was just clicking my heels and snapping to attention. I tried to do a smart slot, though I was breathing hard, because he was practicing on that time. So when he saw this person, then he asked the Milkha Singh, why are you in the ground during this time? Means in this time, why are you in the ground? Because all were taking rest, right? All were taking rest. His colleagues were taking rest in the evening, but only Milkha Singh was practicing in the evening in the ground. He was spotted by the SP over. I tried to do a smart slot though I was breathing. He was just, he want to hide that, but he could not. But because he was breathing hard and dripping sweat from every pore. Means because he was practicing, right? So after the sir asked, he could not able to answer. He could not able to answer because he was breathing very hard, and in every part there was sweating dripping on the floor. Though I was breathing hard and dripping sweat from every pore, sir, I panted. I am practicing for the 400 meters race. See, now he is telling that he is practicing for 400 meters race. Practicing. Who is asking? Sir is asking. Practicing. Why are you practicing at this hour? Sir is asking, why are you practicing in this hour? He asked, sounding a little astonished. What do you mean by that? Impressing. He was impressed. Sir was impressed. Why are you practicing at this hour? He asked, sounding a little astonishment, impressing. Because I don't have time to practice during the day. Milkha Singh is telling, because I don't have time to practice during a day, sir, I replied quietly. He has replied to the sir, I am not getting time to practice during a day. He started at me. He stared at me, then nodded and walked away briskly. Briskly means quickly. I felt quite relieved that I had been let off easily. He's feeling relaxed because he thought that he has been escaped from getting the scoldings. He thought like that. Who thought? Milkha Singh, but it was not the reason. He stared at me. Stared means looking at him like this. Stared at me, then nodded and walked. Nodded means, nodded his head. And walked away briskly means quickly. Walked away quickly. I felt quite relieved. Somewhat feeling a little bit relaxed. Means because I didn't get scolding, because he didn't tell anything, because I'm practicing here during this hour. He didn't tell anything. He's feeling a little bit relaxed. He felt quite relieved that I had been let off easily. This meeting led to a series of actions, actions that I had never anticipated. The next day, the commander of my company told me that I did not have to do fatigue duty anymore. Yesterday evening he saw, who saw? Sir SP Over, right? Now he is telling the Milkha Singh not to do fatigue duty. I said in the last class, what do you mean by fatigue duty? Daily routine means a daily work. What he was doing, what they were doing, cleaning, washing clothes, cooking, everything, right? Milkha Singh should not do. The sir told now. This meeting lead to a series of actions that I had never anticipated. What do you mean by anticipated? Accepted, known to be likely. The next day, the commander of my company, the next day, the commander of my company means Milkha Singh's boss, the company boss, commander of the company told me that I did not have to do fatigue duty anymore. This gave me more time to practice. See, now he is not doing any fatigue duty, means everyday work. So during that time he can practice from morning. This gave me more time to practice. I was given better facilities. Means better facilities he was given. A nutrient diet and special attention was paid to my grooming. What do you mean by grooming? Is training to become a world-class athlete. Grooming. This incident opened up a whole new world for me, one that offered innumerable opportunities. This gave me more time to practice. I was given better facilities so that he can practice more and he can reach the goal. What was his goal? His goal was to participate in the Olympic game, and he has to win the athlete. In nutrients diet and special attention was paid to my grooming. Is training. Special attention was paid to the training to become a world-class athlete. This incident opened up a whole new world. This was the incident which opened up a whole new world for me. One that offered innumerable opportunity. Innumerable means countless opportunities. They were given countless opportunity. Who has written this? Milkha Singh with Sonia Sanwalkar. It was extracted it was taken the book, the starting point. In the first class, I told you that from which book they have taken this, right? The starting point is been taken from the Race of My Life. The Race of My Life by Milkha Singh with Sonia Sanwalkar. Hope you have understood this lesson. We have completed explanation, children. I have a completed explanation. Now we'll go for the exercise part in the textbook. I'm going to write the answers. I'm going to write only the answers. Please copy it in your textbook. Complete it, and I'll give you one assignment. Okay? It's the page number 25. Page number 25. A main. First one they have given already. Second one I'm going to write. The police dog at the, I'll read the heading once. Complete the sentences with the correct adverbs from the box. Use the question clues to help you. Second one I'm going to read. They have given the options in the box. Answers you have to select and you have to write proper answer. Okay. First one they have already given. Second one I'm going to tell you the answer. The police dog at the crime scene raced away into the woods. Then it stopped. Suddenly in the middle of now here. Okay, this is the answer for second one. Third one, our school was closed after the heavy rains because. Third one, because it was flooded. Fourth one, we love the outdoors. We go for a walk. Dash. We love the outdoors. We go for a walk. Dash. Morning. Every morning. Fourth one, answer. Fifth one, the moment they found that the bag was missing. The moment they found that the bag was missing. They search dash for it. They search dash for it everywhere. Everywhere. Then sixth one, it is dash common to see people talking on their phone as they walk on the streets. As they walk on the streets. Sixth one, extremely. Sixth one, extremely. Sixth one, extremely. Okay, now I'll go for the page number 27. In the textbook, page number 27. 27. In this, complete, aiming, complete the questions in each set with the correct word from the box. You may have to change the forms of the words in some cases. Okay, first one in this. Why has the picnic been dashed off until next week? Because of bad weather? The answer you have to write put. Okay. Second one. Why did the rescue team dash off the search? Because it was dark and they could not see anything. What is the answer for this? Heat. Third one. Why is the team so confident? It's because of their captain. His confidence has dashed off on them. Dash off on them. Rub off. Okay. Fourth one. When is the match scheduled to dash off? At now? Answer is call. Fifth one. Why is there no water supply in the taps? Because the water supply has been dashed off as a pipe has to be repaired. The answer is shut off. I'll erase this, children, here. You have to copy this in your textbook, okay? In your textbook with a pencil, don't write with a pen now, okay? Don't write this means in the classwork, okay? I'll be sending the notes in the PDF. Only that much is enough. Don't write this all things in the classwork. Okay. Write the answers in the textbook and keep. Okay. Don't use the pen to write the answers. In the page number 27 only. Be main. Complete these sentences with the suitable phrases from the text. The answer. First one answer. After swimming for an hour every day, I would have a glass of mango juice, which was like a dash for me. You have to search the answers in the para and you have to write for this. Okay. First one answer. A big tree. First one answer is a big treat. Second one, the captain decided that we would trick at night. The decision became the dash of our new adventure. Second one answer. Starting point. Starting point. Third one, when I read about a teenager who climbed Mount Everest, it was my dash. I decided to become a mountaineer. Answer is proud. Proud. Fourth one, I missed school for a week. When I returned the following week, catching up with our work dash. Fourth one, activity. Activity. Fifth one, Gandhiji never allowed himself to give in to defeat simply because he saw dash in every struggle. In every struggle. Effective means. Answer is effective. Effective means. Effective means. Okay, children, we have completed the starting point lesson and the activity part. I want to give you one assignment. Okay, here I'm going to write the assignment. Pause this video and you have to complete. Don't keep incomplete and don't tell ma'am you have not given that. Okay, I have given. Please pause, listen to the class properly, and whichever exercise I will be giving in the class, in the online class, you write that in the, I'll be telling you in which book, in the grammar textbook or in the English textbook you have to write. In that you have to particularly write in that. Okay, don't write this all things in the classwork. I'm repeating once again, don't write this all mains in the classwork. Okay, now I'm giving the homework. Homework from English. Okay, not from English grammar, from English. Learn and write from the textbook. Okay, now I have given this mains. Learn and write a main from English textbook. Okay, from English textbook. Homework book from page number 25. 25, write one time. A main. Okay, A main. English, from English textbook, right? Learn and write A main from English textbook to homework from page number 25. From page number 25, one time. Okay, one time. Okay, children, hope you have understood all the things. We'll meet you in the next class. Okay? Okay, children, thank you.